What's up everybody, Carlos here for day number 29 doing trading. It's an interesting day today because normally I take operations every single day, almost every single day, but today I had some things in the morning, so I couldn't enter to the chart in the schedule that I usually go. All right, so what I mean by this is I enter to the chart a little bit late. So normally I enter earlier, so I make my analysis, what's happening inside the London market and then what's happening in the New York market. So today basically I was making simulations. All right, this is a new technique I am adding to my strategy, and what I mean by this is your demo account is a simulation of you having some amount of money and doing operations, okay? That's a simulation of the money you can invest for doing the trades that you are willing to do. But at some point, at the beginning, it's crucial, it's super important that you do many operations so you learn. You learn when to open operation, when to close an operation, where to put your stop loss, where to put your take profit, and you learn many things. So at the beginning, it's very important to do different kind of operations. So in that way, you learn very quickly. But something very important is to learn how many operations you want to do per day. What I mean by this is even if you are in your demo account or in your real account, you need to have some clear rules. So you can say, I want to do 2 operations per day, 2, or you can say more. I'm only doing the example, okay? You can say I'm only doing 2 operations per day. So every single day you need to do those 2 operations. Why? Because you are putting your brain to work and to find those 2 good opportunities. Because if someday you wake up and you say, oh, you know, today I have a great feeling, I'm gonna do 10 operations. Next day, probably you don't have the same feeling, and you say, I'm only going to do 1 operation. Let's say some days after that, you have zero inspiration, you have zero motivation, and you say, today I won't trade anything. So that's ruining, that's making problems in your journey. Why? Because it's crucial to do every single day the rules you put in your trading plan. That's why if you do every single day 2 operations, you are going to become disciplined. Okay? You are going to have a lot of discipline when it's time to make operations. So that moment, you really know how is your impact in the market. So where the simulation comes. The simulation is a game, it's a strategy to do the operation, but without putting money, even fake money, without money, okay? So in that simulation, you watch the chart and you analyze where are the best points to get to open operation. So when you do that, then after that, you see where is the best place to put your take profit. And then you can say, I want to do a second take profit or even a third one. So in the simulation, you can play that game. You are not putting money inside. You are only doing your analysis, and then you are saying, this is going to happen with the chart. So you see that if it's really happening, and if it's really happening, well, it's great. That means that you are doing a great analysis. But if it's not happening, you are not losing money. But anyways, you are not losing your confidence because you are not losing at all. But you are only making a bad analysis, and you need to change that. So that's why I'm changing a little bit this, because now I know how to open operation. Okay, so the beginner's part, it's already done. Now I need to put the rules very clear, how many operations per day, how is going to be the operations in each account. So those are the rules now. And now I'm applying to the simulation. So I'm gonna do the operations, but without putting the money, when I really feel confident about operation, I'm gonna do it in my demo account or in my real account, depending on the case. But basically, that's for today, guys. I didn't take any operation in my real account. I was focusing myself on watching the best parts, the best opportunities in the chart according to my view. Because remember, each person has a different view, has a different concept in the mind, so each person sees the markets different. So that's what I want to share with you. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao. What's up, everybody? Day number 29 doing trading, okay? So day number 29 is exactly Wednesday 19 February, okay? But I'm doing the video today 20 because I forgot yesterday, but it doesn't matter, it's not big deal. I'm gonna explain it to you very quickly. This is the graphic from the day number 29 February 19, okay? There was really good opportunities during the day, but this day I wasn't 100% sure of taking any operations, so I decided to simulate operations, okay? What I mean by this, before I was taking operations even in demo account because I needed to take the operation, okay? I had the feeling to make an operation, to be in the market. But now I make simulations, okay? So I don't take any operation. It doesn't matter if it's demo account, real account. If I am not sure about the operation, I only take operations when I'm 100% sure and I'm sure that I am willing to risk money. If I'm not sure, I only simulate the operation. And when I say simulate, I say, for example, I'm gonna enter here, gonna see if it goes here, and let's see if it happens, take profit, or if it's a stop loss. So basically, a simulation helps you to take more control in your emotions and don't put operations only because you want to put an operation, okay? You only put operations when you are sure about your analysis, okay? So you are gonna see very quickly, there is no operations for February 19, okay? So this is my real account. You know that there is no operations. Very quickly, see you tomorrow with all the attitude. Ciao, ciao.